Poor dog, poor puppy. At least we're up, because nobody would give you a lift. They go around calling each other twats, but yeah, then they go and say, guess what, she called you a twat, but they do that to each other and behind each other's backs to each other's faces. Oh dear, but for you, no, it was for you I asked for a lift. just round the corner, but there's people that ask favours and take things from you all the time. Will never return them. Poor legs. Ellie, come on. No, come on, puppy, try this way. I won't take, we'll go out everywhere with the car. Yeah, and it's been going downhill for the last 2 days badly. Come on, puppy, mon petit chien, mon petit chien. Allez. It's okay, puppy. We're getting to the car. We'll make it. It's just you collapsed there. You couldn't get up again. And you're too heavy for me to carry. I tried. I couldn't manage it. Oh dear. Coming? You coming? Ça va. That's a good dog. C'est un bon chien, ça. We'll make it. We'll make it, eh? I won't bring you out so far. Hey, I'll take the car I'll find some nice lawn. We go down to Rosset at the little river, by the river, eh? Yes, there's a little grassland there. I can lift you over the wall. Come on then. That's okay, we go, puppy. Okay, puppy. Oh. Well, there you go, I know. It's a bad moment. That's a good dog. C'est un bon chien. Allez, mon chien. On va, voiture. Hey, yeah. It was a big walk. Thank goodness you could get back on them. Hey. That's it. I had a suspicion. Do you know, I had a premonition you won't be able to get back on your legs. And you did. You collapsed. Oh. Come on. That's all right. God, c'est bien, mon chien. Ça, c'est bien, hein? Que c'est un magnifique animal, ça. Bon chien. Allez, mon chien. Oh, dear. Oui, ça va, on arrive. C'est un bon chien, ça. Voilà. That's it. All right, I'll get you in the car, puppy. We'll just stay there for a minute. I'll lift you in here. Oh, where have I put the key?